If you've chosen ThermaCork for your installation and you're unsure of how to install it, just think of it like any other rigid insulation. Cork is a very easy product to work with, and it cuts just like any other wood product. So you don't need to bring any special tools to the job site. You can just use all of your existing power saws or hand saws. You can even use razor blades for trimming some of the smaller sections. Now, as far as hanging cork, it depends on which application you're going for. In the typical exterior insulation route, where you'll be covering it with a rain screen and siding, you can simply hang the panels with any kind of nail, staple, or screw directly to the sheathing. Later, when you install your battens, just be sure to screw through the cork to the sheathing behind. After that, it's a simple process of putting up your chosen siding and enjoying the comforts of a well-insulated home. If you're using cork in a facade application, where you won't be installing any siding or any other kind of covering on the outside, you'll want to make sure that you anchor the cork a little more securely. This means using an adhesive along with your mechanical fastener. You can use any typical construction adhesive along with nails, screws, or staples. For an all-in-one weatherproofing and adhesive application, you can use something like Prosoco Argard Cat 5, along with their joint and seam compound. This is a fluid-applied weather barrier system that replaces typical house wraps and contributes to air sealing and weatherproofing. You can take advantage of the adhesive properties here and fasten ThermaCork to the prepared surface, and as the product dries, it will bond to the cork, and coupled with the use of mechanical fasteners, will hold it in place for years to come. Small Planet Supply offers ThermaCork in a variety of thicknesses to accommodate your insulation needs, as well as a selection of decorative facade designs that are both visually appealing and provide thermal and acoustic benefits. Visit our website or call us today to learn more or to get a free quote for your next project.